And we cut across to breaking news coming in. NIA sources tell Republic that an article that appeared in the online edition of the Washington Post that is dated 10 February 2021, that is today, in which it has been alleged that the evidence was planted in the digital devices of the accused in the Bhima Koregaon case. Now, on the basis of the investigation conducted and reports of the forensic experts of the regional FSL in Pune, there is nothing to suggest that any evidence was planted and digital devices were compromised. Thus, the allegation is strongly refuted. My colleague Shravan will be joining us very shortly to give us further details of what he's picking up from his sources in the NIA. But remember, as per the information we are receiving, NIA is strongly refuting this allegation as has been put out by the Washington Post, which is dated today, that is the 10th February 2021. Now, in this article, it has been alleged that the evidence was planted in the digital devices of the accused in the Bhima Koregaon case. But NIA completely refuting this allegation. And this is what we are picking up from our sources. Shravan is with us on the phone line. Over to you, Shravan.
Well, in fact, a detailed response really now coming in. As far as sources within the agency are concerned, they have essentially reacted to this article that has been published by the Washington Post. And what we are picking up is that this is what the agency essentially believes, that this was on the basis of the investigation that was conducted and reports of the forensic experts of the regional FSL Pune. There is nothing to really suggest that any evidence was planted and digital devices were compromised. Thus, the allegation is strongly refuted. Now, this is on the basis of the article that was published by Washington Post, where they essentially relying on a forensic report that was that came in from the United States of America. This was something that Rona Wilson's lawyers had essentially pushed for. Now, the fact of the matter is that as far as this report is concerned, important to point out here is that the court essentially will not be taking cognizance of an external report that has come in. Point number one. Point number two is the fact that with regards to the FSL, that has FSL report that has come in from Pune, it clearly gives details of the investigation that was carried out or the laptops and electronic devices that were basically seized first by the Pune police, and thereafter this investigation which was carried out by the National Investigation Agency. So what the agency is essentially relying on is the FSL report that has been provided by a government-funded agency called the FSL in Pune. And this report was heavily relied on during the court hearings too.